Bago pa sumabog sa social media ang tsismis na hiwalay na umano ang Kathniel, naunang sinabi ng aktor na si Daniel Padilla na tila hindi na siya naaapektuhan ng mga pambabash at hate comments. Yan ang kanyang tinalakay matapos siyang tanungin ng ilang reporter sa isang event kamakailan lang patungkol sa kanyang mental health. I agree that our personal health should be one of the top concerns these days, say ni Daniel. Paliwanag niya, I think it's because of social media that we're all experiencing attacks. This is why we can't blame our grandparents if they can't understand us. They didn't have too much information growing up. Before the time of phones and social media, it's like they didn't have to worry over things they shouldn't, ani niya. Chika pa niya, today, we concern ourselves with so many things, with stuff that we know we shouldn't have known about to begin with, like personal problems of other people. Often, it's no longer our business, but we would still post our comments about it. This is especially prevalent in showbiz, sambit pa niya. Dahil dyan, ipinaaalala ni Daniel na dapat mas maging mindful sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao bago pa mag-post o mag-comment. Kasunod niyan ay sinabi na nga niya na hindi na siya masyadong tinatamaan o naaapektuhan sa mga masasakit na salita na mga ibinabato sa kanya. Patuloy niya, galing lang silang lahat sa hangin, I've been like this ever since, so I'm no longer affected by negative comments. Of course, my family members would still get hurt, sometimes, but they're slowly getting used to all the bashing too, saad niya. Tugon pa niya, this social media world is not even real. If there's no way for you to verify whether something is real or fake, then it should no longer have any impact on you. Kamakailan lang ay nasangkot sa kontrobersya sina Daniel at partner niyang si Catherine Bernardo, ang isyong kumakalat na isiniwalat din ng talent manager at vlogger na si OG Diaz, patagong nagkikita sina Daniel at ang young actress na si Andrea Brillantes.